Bird Garden Scotland is a community interest company registered with Companies House in Edinburgh. This means we run on a not-for-profit basis, providing service to the community and contributing to saving threatened birds. We are fortunate to have been awarded grant funding to build a visitor centre with a play area. There is, however, a shortfall of £34,790. To qualify for the full EU Scottish Government Collaborative Award, we need the project to be complete by the end of November. We're launching a crowdfunder as a means to meet this shortfall and deliver this amazing project on time. So here at Bird Garden Scotland, we are creating a community hub and a visitor centre to welcome people to the borders. Here we want to promote a more sustainable way of living and the conservation of the natural world. This visitor centre is built from straw bales, and it has a nice open plan indoor coffee shop area. There'll be a nice fireplace, log burning stove, and a library towards the end with books on birds and gardening, Scottish nature, and Scotland in general. We're very excited to be installing a changing places. Now this is a changing facility for adults, and with a hoist, adjustable beds and these kind of facilities that allow people with severe physical challenges to be able to come and enjoy the birds and the gardens here at Bird Garden Scotland. Moving out into the grounds, we have an outdoor seating area which is adjacent to the site, which is prepped and ready for the installation of the play area, which is due to arrive in mid-November. A very exciting moment for all the kids locally. We've dedicated the end of the building to a classroom, which will be full of snakes and poison dart frogs, creepy crawlies and exciting picture plants hanging off the windows. It'll be a great place to engage with kids and adults alike, for learning, for fun. It also doubles up as an unusual space for your corporate events.